Hey guys, welcome back to Android Gamer. In this video, I will tell you how you can watch YouTube videos without ad using YouTube Vanced. And I'm pretty sure many people already know about this, but this is a video for those who don't. And I will try to keep this video short and simple. So without wasting time, let's start the video. So as I said, you need YouTube Vanced app to watch videos without ad. You can't do this on stock YouTube app. If you have a rooted device, then you only need YouTube Vanced. But if you have a non-rooted device, then you need to download two apps, YouTube Vanced and Micro G. Micro G is basically a clone of Google Play services so that you can use your Google accounts and YouTube services on Vanced. Since Vanced is not approved by Google, obviously why would they approve something like this? So there was a time when you have to download both of these apps separately, but now you just have to download Vanced Manager, and from this app you can download both the app and can update the app rather than searching for the new updates every time. I put the download link to this Vanced Manager in the description. After installing the app, you can simply grant the app permission to work, then install the Vanced app for rooted. If you have a non-rooted device, skip this one. And then you will see a page where you can download both of the apps. First you need to download Micro G, then YouTube. Simply click and then install. You have grant the app permission to install app before. After installing both of the apps, you are basically done. You can even uninstall the Vanced Manager if you want, but you can keep it for updates. Vanced is pretty identical to stock app, but it has some additional feature that the stock don't have, so it's a good thing. Also, if you have a Xiaomi device, then you probably get this error. To fix this, simply go to the developer option and turn off the MIUI optimization at the bottom. If you find any issue or error regarding this, simply comment down below. I will try to help you. And that's all about this video, guys. Thanks for watching.